Candidate number 7 is representing which Purok again?
I represent Purok Liars.
Oh, Purok Liars. And how does it feel to win 2 of our minor awards tonight?
I am very happy, unexpected.
And any words that you would like to tell to all of your supporters, family, and friends who have joined you in this journey?
Buenas noches, everyone! Thank you for supporting me and for coming here. Thank you.
Always remember, you are strong, confident, and brave for standing in front of all of Barangay Tinogog tonight. And are you ready for your final question? Yes, you should be. I'll be reading it twice for you. And your final question goes this way. As a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the next Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024. Again, as a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the next Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024.
Thank you. As a woman of beauty and purpose, standing in front of the peoples of Barangay, I am the manifestation of how beautiful we are now. I embody the resilience and grace that define our humble community, striving to create a meaningful change towards sustainable progress and development. Once again, thank you and good evening.
There you have it. Thank you so much. Finalist number 7. And now we will proceed with our second finalist, candidate number 3.
Good evening, candidate number 3. How does it feel to be in the top 5?
It feels like a roller coaster I can explain.
So, what is your message to all your supporters out there?
Mayong gabi, Barangay Tinogog! Especially to my parents and family, thank you for supporting me.
Okay, so here's your question. As a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the next Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024. Again, as a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the next Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024.
I should be crowned as Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024 because I advocate to inspire others through showcasing my inner beauty, balance, intelligence, while also promoting cultural diversities and social causes that are close to my heart. Ultimately, my goal is to use this platform to make a positive impact and empower young women to believe in themselves and realizing their dreams. Thank you.
Her inner beauty and strength. Thank you so much for that, candidate number 3. Now let's proceed with our third finalist, candidate number 5. And we want to hear her supporters roar. Hello, candidate number 5. Did you expect to be one of our finalists today?
Yes, I expect because I work hard for this talent.
Indeed. All of our candidates work hard for this, and your hard work really pays off tonight. Congratulations for that. But before we're going to proceed with our final question, anong gusto mong sabihin sa family, friends, and supporters mo here tonight? Ako, hindi mong kalipay. Dagan kayo. Salamat. Now, let's proceed with your final question. As a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the Mukyat ng Tinogog 2024. Again, as a beautiful woman standing in front of the people of Barangay Tinogog, convince and tell us why you should be crowned as the Mutya and Tinongkok 2024.
The person who deserves to win the crown tonight is the person who worked hard for it and she's willing to continue the legacy of the community, especially for the youth. She has beautiful heart and confidence in her personality. She's willing to be a leader, and I believe I am her. And I will have the opportunity to inspire and encourage young girls to join pageantry. Share your experience and knowledge and how competing in pageant has helped you grow as an individual. Explain what you have learned about yourself and how it has helped you to develop increased self-confidence, self-esteem, and self-worth. It is important to use your platform to empower and inspire young girls to join pageantry. Thank you.
Wow! Beautifully said, answered by our third finalist, candidate number 5. Now let's proceed with our fourth finalist, candidate